Welcome to this edition of Live Good, Paying the Price. So there's always a price to be paid. It doesn't matter what opportunity that you're in. You've got to pay the price. You've got to put in the time. You've got to put in the work. I've seen a lot of things promise a lot of different things, like you don't have to do anything, and it's not true. I tell you what, I have spent thousands and thousands of dollars and thousands of hours trying to chase that mythical, magical opportunity that just is not there. But Live Good is really a different kind of company because it's a system. It's not just a company, it's a system. It's like I would compare it to like McDonald's. I mean, McDonald's is a system. They've got franchises and they've got a standard operating procedures on how they operate, and all of their restaurants operate a certain way. And the customers, they know the system when they come in. They go to the drive-through, or they come to the counter, or they go order at the kiosk, and the burgers are all made the same way, and everybody has the same exact expectations, and there's a brand, and all of that is a system, and systems sell. Systems are something that you can plug yourself into. You have a web page, you have an autoresponder, you have the training, you have the support, right? And all of that is provided for you, and your cost is just $50 for the first month and $10 thereafter, plus the cost of your products that you were going to buy anyway, or you should be buying anyway, because they've got everything from nutritional supplements to CBD oil to organic coffee to greens and reds and all the other things that are needed for sustaining good health, which is so important, which I've covered before. So you've got this system, but it still takes work, and it still is talking to people and saying, hey, if you don't like the way your life is going, if you want more money and you want more time and you want more freedom and you want better health, then this is something that you really should consider. And when you first start out, it can feel like nobody's paying any attention to anything that you're saying. It's like just goes over people's heads. Like, because if people really understood what this opportunity was, everybody would be jumping on board. And I think a lot of people will be jumping on board, but it's waiting for people like you and me to surface and saying, okay, I'm willing to go and put myself out there. I know it's scary, right? It's a real business, because it's like, okay, I'm going to be a product of the product. I'm going to take the products myself. I'm going to educate myself on the products, and I'm going to network with people. And I'm not going to put the hard sell on people, but I am going to continuously work this. And, in the beginning, it's like Murphy's Law is going to challenge you. It's going to be like, okay, you're involved in a business opportunity. Let's test that commitment level, right? And you might talk to a whole bunch of people, and a whole bunch of people just blow you off. And your first inclination is like, okay, what's on television? Or let's go check this out, this other shiny object, or let's do this or that. But you got to have the wherewithal to just keep going and really no, I'm going to do this. Other people are doing this, and I can do it too. And it's just a matter of you communicating with enough people, and then as you communicate with more and more people, your skill and sales ability will go up. And sales scares a lot of people. It's like, I can't sell anything. Nobody will believe me. They have a low self-esteem. But sales is the highest paid profession in the world. If you can master this, and you're willing to, like I said, put yourself out there, make YouTube content, talk to people, right? Do whatever it takes. If you say, by golly, I'm going to do whatever it takes, right? I don't care what it takes. I don't care how many people I have to talk to. Quitting is not an option. I'm going to keep doing this. And just believing in your heart that, as you talk to enough people, you are getting better and better. And don't think of winning and losing as people joining your business. Your first win is to communicate with people. That's your first win, is like going out and talking to people, right? Just sharing the opportunity. Forget about talking to people. If you can send an instant message to somebody, or you can mention that you're in a business opportunity, that's your first win, is to communicate that. The second win is to get them to pay attention and listen to what you have to say. You know, the third is to actually have them visit your website. The fourth is to have them pre-enroll. The fifth is to have them jump on a training call or watch some YouTube content. And then the next win is when they enroll. The next win is when they buy products. And the next win after that is when they are just as committed as you are, and they are also working to build an organization. But it begins with the first win, and the first win is, saying, okay, I'm going to talk. Excuse me, I'm going to talk to people. I don't care if they sign up. I just need to talk to people. I just need to share the website. I just need to. That's the win. And if you work every day, like today, I had talked to 7 people. I communicated with 7 people. Excuse me, I'm sorry, I got a frog in my throat. I'm not editing these videos. So making this content every day, I'm committed to making this content, and I don't care. I'm just going to make the content. I'm going to put myself out there. But I contacted seven contacts, and then I also followed up with some other ones today as well. So every day I'm continuously talking to new people, right? And I consider that to be a win. Getting them to pick up the phone, getting them to say, hi, my name is this, you asked about this, I want to share this with you, do you have a pen and a piece of paper, can you write this website down? Giving them all that information, that's my first win. Not that they signed up, I'm not going to feel like I failed or I came up short or anything. I accomplished what I set out to do, and that was to communicate that I have a business opportunity and we have what they're looking for, and then it's a process. It's like if so many people go to the website, so many people are going to sign up, and so many people are going to do this. It might be a small percentage, and you might have to cycle through hundreds or even thousands of people. I mean, even tens of thousands of people to find your couple leaders. But if you're willing to do that, I believe, and I'm doing this myself. I'm putting myself out there. It's going to work, right? It's just that first picking up the phone or sending that IM or communicating with somebody or making that website content or that YouTube content. That's where it all begins. And that's where you have to say, I won today. I won because I took decisive action, and I'm not just waiting around for somebody else to do it for me, right? It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way in any business. So if you got involved with Livegood and then you're looking for well, maybe I'll just check out something else. You're just going from opportunity to opportunity in the hopes that maybe, somehow you'll stumble upon something. But I'm saying you have the secret all along. All you got to do is just communicate. That's your win. That is your first win, is to just communicate with other people. If you can do that, I think the rest of it is just going to fall into place. We'll keep posted to this channel. I'll let you know how it goes. Sign up. Go to my website. Sign up as a pre-enrollee. Right? Take a tour. Jump on a training call. Buy the products. Try them out. There's a satisfaction guarantee. There's no risk. We're not asking people to make a PV requirement or PV commitment or anything like that. It's like, just buy the stuff that you are already going to buy. And if you're not buying this stuff, you should make a commitment to good health anyway, right? If you don't buy it from Livegood, then buy it from somebody else. Buy it from one of their competitors. But do start taking these things, because I tell you, things are going to get really, really tough in the future, I think. I really believe that. And having another business income, having a residual income coming in, is going to be critical for yourself and for your family's well-being, right? Not just on the healthy side, but also from the financial side. I really believe that. If you can square that away, it'll be so much better for you. So that's my Livegood video. Let me know what your thoughts. Like, comment, subscribe. I will talk to you tomorrow.